Hello, this is JJ. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm not one of these wealthy gurus who live in a mansion or drive around in a luxury automobile and take exotic trips. I'm a person just like you, and I've struggled for over 2 years on the net and spent a lot more money than I made. However, since July 2020, I had a mentor who helped me and found a way to earn daily commissions, as I do very well now with affiliate marketing. And for those of you who are still struggling, I understand your financial stress. There are so many shiny objects out there, all promising easy ways to make money with a click of a button. But don't believe most of those. You do have to spend time and money to be successful online. However, you don't have to work countless hours and spend a fortune to be successful either. And I know that most people don't want to spend endless hours of time. They don't want to try and figure out which affiliate products convert for sales. They don't want to try to figure out all the technical issues and how to make web pages, how to set up your email autoresponder. And the end of it, they don't know how to get traffic and get leads to make the sales. So what I'm going to do is make it simple for you. So why not partner with me for 2020? What I'm going to do is do all the heavy lifting for you. First, I'm going to have you sign up with Clickbank as an affiliate. And you notice here, Clickbank is free to sign up as an affiliate. So I'm going to have you sign up, and once you sign up, I'm going to select the best converting Clickbank affiliate products that I've personally tested. And next, I'll have you sign up for GrooveFunnels, and you can sign up for free. What they do is they give you 3 free websites and funnel pages with the free version of GrooveFunnels. They also have an upgrade option, but you don't have to upgrade. I just recommend go ahead and sign up for the free membership where you get the Groove pages. So I'm in my GrooveFunnels, and then I went to my Groove pages, and you can see here I've set up some landing pages. So basically, when you sign up for the Done For You program, I will go ahead and get your login information, and I'll go into it and set up your landing and grid pages for you. Next, I'm going to have you sign up for Aweber, which is the autoresponder that I'm going to recommend you use. And they have a free 30-day trial. Then after the 30-day trial, it's only $19 a month. By the time you get all your leads and possibly get your sales underway, the $19 a month is pretty a small fee to pay for running your business. This is definitely the way to success with this. And finally, the last step, which is probably one of the most important, is to get traffic to your landing pages so people can sign up in your Aweber account. And I work with Dr. John, who provides the high quality business opportunity leads, and these leads have done very well for on a normal conversion. They're running about 30% opt-in rate, which is a really good opt-in rate for business opportunity leads. So my ultimate goal is for you to have your own affiliate marketing business set up for you, get plenty of opt-in leads, and get some sales. And once you get underway and get this all going for you, like I said, I'm doing all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to spend your time and try to figure it all out or know which product to promote. And can I guarantee how many sales you will get with the leads? Well, there's no guarantee as how many sales you may or may not get. However, you will be building a very good quality list, and with the email sequences that I put in place for you, they'll automatically send messages each day, and your chance of getting sales goes up dramatically. When you get the sales, I would recommend using some of the profits of your sales to reinvest to keep buying more leads. Because the ultimate goal, you want to get to at least 1,000 subscribers on your email autoresponder. Once you have 1,000 subscribers, you have a good quality list that you can always send out more offers to possibly get more sales in the future. And like I said, I'm only going to work with 10 people. It's all the time I have available to work with that many people. And once you sign up, I'm going to go ahead and send you an email. Then we can figure out a time that we can actually chat. And then we can go over and I can show you how to sign up for all the free accounts that you need to get started. And then you can give me the login. I can set it all up for you, and we'll be ready to go. And and I look forward to getting started with you and get you on the road to your success.